Hey guys, welcome back to The Buzz. I'm Tiara Bree, and today on the health segment, we have Matt Serlo of 5-Star Physical Therapy and Sports Medicine. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. So tell me a little bit about 5-Star.
5-Star was founded about 10 years ago. I was with a big corporation, and I enjoyed treating athletes and working with sports medicine, and I figured I think it was time to go out on my own, and I started the company about 10 years ago with the help of a couple professional golfers. They urged me along, and then it was done.
That's amazing. And how did you get into sports medicine?
Well, ironically, when I was doing my internships when I was in grad school, I had the opportunity to work with James Andrews in Birmingham, Alabama. He's the guru of sports medicine.
Yes.
And as soon as I met him and worked with him, I knew this is the avenue I wanted to go. And I've been doing it for 23 years now.
That's amazing. Yeah. And at your facility, what type of services do you offer?
We offer outpatient orthopedic physical therapy and sports medicine. So basically we treat simple injuries such as ankle sprains that you get when you're running around your backyard to surgeries like ACLs and rotator cuff surgeries and back fusions and everything in between.
Wow.
It's funny, we have little kids on the table next to grandma next door on the table.
I was just going to ask
and then
that.
Professional athletes. So
Right.
it's a pretty neat environment.
And so I remember when I was young, I fell off a swing set and sprained my ankle. So he could have took care of me too back then.
Absolutely. We would have taken care of you.
And so with the pro athletes, what type of things do you help with? Do you train them, to kind of hone their abilities, or is it just, nursing them back to health?
Yeah, unfortunately, we usually get them after the fact. Yeah, so whatever injury they have, it's our role to try to, work on their range of motion and their strength and their flexibility, and then obviously their stability and their endurance to get them back to whatever sport they're trying to get back to.
And what is the sport that you get most of your athletes from?
Well, I live and work in Ponte Vedra, so it's more of a golfer community. So I treat a lot of the golfers, a lot of professional golfers that live out there. So I treat more of the lifetime sports, golf, tennis. Now, croquet is a big thing now as well.
Cool.
So,
good stuff. And I know you do live in a golf town.
Yes.
Have you been to Topgolf yet?
I have not, but I've been to one.
Okay.
They're pretty awesome.
They are super fun. I was like, you need to go to the one in Jacksonville.
So
Rocks.
much fun.
It is super fun.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite thing about sports medicine?
Sports medicine is cool because they come in with an injury, usually on a walker or with crutches, in 4, 5, 6 weeks or whatever. You got them walking. Maybe in 12 weeks, you got them on the treadmill. And in 3 months to 14 months, you got them running and doing their sport again. And it's the best thing when a child or especially a parent comes up and gives you a big hug on their last day and says, I cannot believe how great this was. And I see little Johnny back out on the field again. Yeah, it was pretty awesome.
It's a good feeling, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
And did you work with any of the high school athletes? I know a lot of those ones are getting injured lately.
Absolutely. Unfortunately, the kids are getting bigger and faster, and unfortunately, more and more injuries are happening. And so we see a lot. And, football season just ended, so a lot of kids try to grind through to get to the end of the season, and now, unfortunately, they're having some surgeries. So
exactly.
So we're seeing a lot of them.
Unfortunately, but it is good that you can nurse them back to health.
Absolutely.
And what is your goal with 5-Star?
5-Star, again, we just want to offer our services to the community. We have an open door policy. So a lot of people, when someone gets hurt, they don't know where to go. They're like, do I call the doctor? Do I call my general practitioner? Do I go to the ER? And we say, call us. Let us take a quick look at you. It could be something simple. We say, just ice it down, you'll be fine. Or then we can guide you in the right direction on where to go. We want to get you in the right hands. People are scared.
Yeah.
If their son or daughter goes down on a Friday night, they're like, what do I do? Everything's closed. What do I do? We say, call us. We'll make some calls for you. We'll get you in the right hands.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Matt, if somebody does want to contact you, how could they get in touch?
Well, 5-Star Physical Therapy, we have our websites, 5starphysicaltherapy.com, or you can easily call our number, 904-280-3440.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Matt, for joining us today on the health segment.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you having me here.
My pleasure. And thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you next time at The Buzz.